Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve battery draining issue on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus smartphone. First of all, this smartphone is one of a very rare case where you can actually change the power consumption or performance mode. Now, I've only seen this feature on PCs before, but basically we can do this on this smartphone easily by going to settings, then scrolling down to device care menu, and here in the device care we can change the performance profile from standard to light one, which will prioritize your battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed, and it will also not affect games, so in the meantime, your phone will basically be consuming less battery, while the performance of the smartphone will basically stay almost the same. So as you can see, nothing has really changed on this phone. But of course, it's not the last step. In case your battery is draining way too fast, go to the battery menu in settings and enable and adjust the power saving mode. To enable it, switch the toggle to the right, and then if you tap on power saving and select standard, we don't need maximum. I don't consider it a good option because it limits our device's performance to the maximum level. So instead, let's customize the standard power saving mode by going to its settings and selecting which features we want to enable. So all of these features will prolong your battery lifetime, and basically, as you can see, the battery time right now has increased to almost 4 days, and it's all thanks to all of these limitations. And so, if you want to, you can disable some of these limitations, which will of course increase your battery life. But if you just disable, for example, turning it off always on display, it will not significantly change the power saving intensity. As you can see, it has only dropped down by 7 hours after re-enabling always on display. And now the last thing is checking for battery hungry applications. So here we can check the apps that consume the most of the battery on the smartphone, and for these applications, just go into each of these apps, into each of the apps that you don't need in here, and limit their background usage. So just switch the toggle next to background usage limits and select put to sleep, and if you have put to deep sleep option available, then select it instead. It will prevent the application from using your smartphone in the background completely, but it will also make this app prevent it from sending you notifications. So be careful which applications you put into sleep, because you're gonna have to manually change this value afterwards. So if you don't want to do this, then carefully choose the applications that you want to limit. And now one additional things are, first of all, swipe down the control center and disable your Bluetooth if you're not using it right now. Also disable location services if you don't need them at the moment. And if you are using mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi only, and if you have Wi-Fi available around. And besides, let's check the battery information. Now here we'll be able to check the battery health level. If your battery health level dropped down to, let's say, around 70%, that this will indicate that the only way to actually improve this battery's life is simply to replace it with a different one, which you can do in any Samsung customer support center So just head out there or to any repair service that you trust and replace the battery in your smartphone if you're having these issues constantly, and if your battery level is around 70%. And I mean battery health, of course. Yeah, not the battery itself. And so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.